You're going down, girl. You're going down.
I'm gonna win now.
I may have not thought this through properly.
This is so bad.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. Today I have special guest and best friend. Me? Oh, me?
Yes, Sayoko.
So I'm super excited for this video because it is episode 1 of a new series called Thrift Store Showdown, where Mia and I are gonna go head to head with 30 minutes and $30 in the thrift store to make the cutest outfit, with the option to come home and do a little bit of DIY if your heart so desires. I'm so stoked because I feel like this is back to my roots. I grew up thrifting so hard, and that's kind of like how I learned to sew and DIY. So we go head to the thrift store and get shopping. Pray for me.
We just began and I don't even know what to do.
What's up, car confessional? Okay, so Mia just went in and I'm a little nervous. Actually, let's be real, I'm big nervous because you were totally at the width of whatever your Goodwill has to offer. And I let Mia go first, so like, what if she snags up all the good-ish? Then what happens?
I found it, guys. This is the winner. Wait, you want a match?
Imagine you grab that and then she grabs these.
This is Tigger.
That is cool.
I'll hold on to them. What is the theme I'm going for? What is the vibe?
So I don't really have a game plan, to be honest. I wish I could be like, yeah, I'm planning on doing this, this, and this, but I totally have absolutely no plans. Maybe I'll find some like good oversized guy stuff that I could belt and make into a dress, or sometimes there's good mom jeans or high-waisted shorts, so that could be good. That's an option, but like, I don't know.
See, Lauren has this advantage where she's the DIY queen, and you know, I don't have those skills, so she's gonna win no matter what.
I feel like Mia and I have such different styles, but like sometimes overlap a little bit.
Okay, this literally is just gonna look like any of my everyday outfits.
You can't beat a wedding dress.
Yo, Mia, you're going down. You're going down, girl. You're going down.
No.
You're looking at costumes.
You never know what you can find. Size R, what is that? Really big. I know I'm not gonna win. It's not that cute. No.
I've been roasting in this car for like 25 minutes now. Yo, Mia, your outfit better be so strong. I kind of have to pee, getting more hungry. It's past lunchtime. This outfit better be hot fire.
I have all of these things. Does anything look like it matches? I'm just gonna pray that Lauren finds worse things.
Yo, straight up, this girl been in here for so dang long, yo. Ooh, are those Funyuns? Are those Funyuns? Yo, I'm starving. Funyuns.
She's trying to look like starving. Yeah, as a apology, I got you some Cheez-Its. Unless you want Funyuns.
Apology accepted in both forms.
Off to go. Off to lose.
I feel like this is not that hard. She's ever so hard.
You're definitely grabbing more stuff than her in the 2 minutes you've been in here.
Man, that Goodwill was rough. But did they have the goods? You know what I'm saying?
Wait, this is so cute for Wonder Woman.
She grabbed that too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, this high key has potential. Like, not the whole thing, but like a piece of it.
We'll go for Cheez-Its. My predictions is that Lauren will find something pretty ugly and then she'll DIY it like she does.
I would have been so so into this in the 2000s. This has potential. We got a lot of cheating going on.
So I probably went through every single item on those racks, and it kind of just looks like the closet of my 2012-year-old self. You know, just a lot of Forever 21, like, outdated stuff.
Yo, this literally is mine. I literally donated this to this Goodwill. These are literally both mine. Also, I'm like kind of insulted that no one's bought these because I donated these so long ago. I'm offended.
So I couldn't really find anything that I felt like was or could be my style, even with DIYing. So it was a little struggling. It was a little struggly. You know what I'm saying? Struggly.
We in rough shape, but it's ASOS. Gross. What is this? That's a good dust bunny that needs a name. It's so big.
So my only hope is for Lauren to not be able to find anything and to just lose.
This could be like a maxi skirt with like some kind of bralette. Did you see that?
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
I really could have won if I picked a Halloween costume, but I don't really know if that was in the rules, so therefore I'm just gonna lose. No, you gotta be positive. You gotta believe in yourself. I will win.
We can hope. I'm uncomfortable knowing that this is probably someone's lingerie at some point, but we can make it work. Yo, I think I'm good.
You good?
I'm good. I feel okay about this. I can't wait to see what we got.
What's the verdict?
I feel okay.
Damn. So I got this top. She's like mom chic, so we want to make it just chic. I don't know how this is gonna work because I pretty much want to cut off all of this. This part's not that cute. So we're just gonna go for it, and like if it doesn't work, I have 2 other backup outfits. I tried them on, they're not that cute, so we can pray. Okay. I'm just gonna go for it. You know, you gotta start somewhere. I made my first cut. Oh, step 1. Here I am making my first incision in this top, and I'm just going to keep cutting. I hope I'm cutting off the right part. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like kind of cute, right? I don't think I have the right amount of for this, but Moose! You're ruining this masterpiece. It's pretty basic. That's what I'm thinking. So like I could distress this, you know? I don't really know how to distress things, but like don't you just like, I'm gonna cut the table. Okay, so my other option was to tuck this dress in either these shorts or this skirt, but like I don't know how I feel about red plus cheetah. Seems a little cheesy. My third option, the hot goss. You want it, you need it, you love it. And you know, there's some red accents in this shirt. I'm not really a pink and red kind of person, but like it works, right? I feel like because I cut this, it's my best shot at coming in second place. You know, it'd be cute if I made these pockets, right? Shh, I'm stealing supply. Excuse me, miss. All right, so now we are going to measure. I don't know how to do this. Do you know how to do this? Oh, I just drawn it. Oh, okay, I see. I know. Oh, am I doing it bad? I start over. So first we're gonna make a template out of this tissue paper that I hope Lauren wasn't saving for my birthday, so that I can then cut out the pocket with the material. Lou says I'm doing a good job, so Lauren's going down, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, this is so stressful. Wow, this is a lot more work than I was expecting though. Like, even if I'm pretty proud of myself, because like, I'm going somewhere, you know? Even when I'm putting in all this work, I still know it's gonna be ugly. Aw, this is bad. I don't wanna make another one though. I need an iron. Lauren? You have an iron? Yes? May I use it? I'm not gonna be okay with these little scraggly lines. Oh, that's much better. I'm gonna win now. My confidence level has gotten so much higher than earlier. Imagine if I beat the DIY queen. She's gotta quit her channel. She's gotta give it to me. I I'm sorry. I'll mow you.
Coming for your career, Lauren.
It doesn't fit. It's okay, it's okay. It doesn't need to fit, right? This is so bad. I just want to rip it all off. What do I do, Matthew? Don't look at it.
It's great. It's great.
Do you think she's gonna like really look at it?
No. Yeah, she probably would.
It's so bad. I don't even want to glue this down because it's like, it's not gonna help it, you know? Okay, I'm just gonna glue it down. We're done. We're done.
Okay, so what I'm thinking is, I don't even know if I'm gonna need this. I would also prefer to maybe not wear this just because I'm sure that people have had sassy time in this before and I don't know how I feel about that. So this is a maybe. But either way, this could be a cute bralette to go like underneath. And then this, I'm gonna tie up. This is like so university Lauren style. And then this is the main piece that needs to like, we gotta lose half of this. Like I appreciate that they have shorts under here, but I think these are gonna be too big. Okay, let's start with chopping off this like top half. Ooh, this is cute. I wish I had thought this out better. This is so cute. Even with these shorts, that's cute. Okay, we gonna save you for later. Wow, beauty of thrifting. Oh no, we gonna do a leopard with leopard moment. I may have not thought this through properly. Oh no, okay. Please hold, please hold. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's
Wait, is this okay? Wait. What was this before?
okay, I tried to match my shorts. Look at this masterpiece.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
So this shirt had like a bottom. You see all that?
Wait, it had a bottom?
It had a
And then you ironed it?
Unfortunately, this is what I ironed.
Oh. This was a really intense full
I
leopard
didn't see
dress.
that. Oh, it was.
It was a dress.
Oh, I did see that.
Yeah,
And
top.
I was like, that's too much leopard. I didn't think about that.
And this one's
Yeah,
so like
Maxine.
lingerie for sure.
I looked for lingerie.
Yeah, well, we found some.
Did you see the one with the crotch hole?
Didn't see the crotch. Didn't see the crotch hole. Those are cute. Why do those fit so well?
I don't know.
Do you try them on in the
No.
store? What? Also, why do I feel like you're so much girlier? Normally you're so edgy.
I know.
We swapped.
I looked at that dress, but I was like, I didn't think of
He had a lot.
DIYing it.
It had some like big baggy shorts underneath and it had a whole roof
That's
top.
cute.
Yeah, she turned out okay. Who won? Your hair just like literally touched my eyeball.
Oh, sorry. Rate this pocket.
I would give it a 6.5 out of 10.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I would wear your outfit, so like 10.
This is cute. I don't have the boobs to fill that out, but it is
Neither
cute.
do I.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed episode 1 of Thrift Store Showdown. Let us know in the comments whose outfit you vibe with a little more. It's like not a competition, it's a competition.
It is.
It's totally a competition. But let us know which outfit is more you. AKA who won. Make sure to follow Mia and subscribe to her channel as well. This be dropping hot fire beats lately. Ooh. So go listen to her music, stream that as well. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for a weekly vlog. And I find out that's Sunday. Bye guys.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the show.